Welcome back, all you sexy YouTube nail mother lovers. Cadence here. Welcome to Claws by Cadence, and today we are going to be doing a Madame Glam set for Earth Day 2023. Yes, I may not know what day or month it is, but I know it's 2023. So stay tuned. Let's have some fun for Earth Day. Let's get started. So, as I Google, welcome back to the start of this, by the way, but as I Google Earth Day 2023, for those of you watching in the future, welcome. I am taking Madame Glam products today, starting with Pistachio. That doesn't come up on Google, but coming up on Google, it's telling me that Earth Day is Saturday, the 22nd of April. Now, we are just going to pretend that I got this up on time. You would think that if I really sorted my shit out, that I would get these things up on time. Alas, my dear friends and followers, I can never sort my shit out. So, what is the theme for Earth Day 2023? So, Earth Day is organised by earthday.org, the global organiser of Earth Day and largest recruiter of environmental movements worldwide. The theme for Earth Day this year, in the year of 2023, is Invest in Our Planet. Well, I'm investing in our planet by putting a little bit of knowledge out onto the interweb that probably puts a lot of strain and resources on the Earth, let's be honest. We're all watching computers that are made out of precious metals and lithium batteries that are all going to go into extinction. Oh, it's just a absolutely happy time in this world, isn't it? But Earth Day says we must come together again in partnership for the planet. Business, governments, and civil society are equally responsible for taking action against the climate crisis. And you know what? I don't disagree with what they're saying. We can all do our part. The part that I'm doing is applying Pistachio to the inside of the nails, and I am applying Grassy Sassy to the outside of the nail. I am then going to velvet matte top coat, but before we velvet matte top coat, I am going to remove the sticky layer from the nails. Now, why do I do this? I do this because matte top coat is a strange beast, and it can sometimes just, I don't know, it pulls funny and it just doesn't quite cure correctly. So I find that removing the sticky layer before applying matte helps with the curing process. If you find the same thing, please leave a comment for others down below. If you don't and you think I'm talking absolute bollocks, don't leave a comment like that because I'll probably come after you. I don't take no shit from nobody, and that's my contribution to the planet. So what I'm doing here is to the nails. What I'm doing here is talking absolute rot, but what I'm doing to the nail is I was doing some cute little things for the Earth Day cure with, I don't know, different animals and things. So the practice was cure the nail. You don't need a full cure, you can just do a flash cure. The line's really thin. But I will take this moment to do some e-begging and ask all of you to please like this video and subscribe to my channel. See, wasn't I nice and all professional then? I didn't scream at anybody for giving me a thumbs down or lose my shit because my subscribers are lessening. YouTube does that though. YouTube unsubscribes people because the algorithm's all weird. So if I actually talk about the nail for a moment, what I'm doing is a continuous line drawing across all 4 nails. I didn't do a 5th. Why? Because honestly, I couldn't find the other 2. Hear that? Yes. Full transparency, I couldn't find the other 2. So I did 4 instead of 5. Oh, and look at that. I just noticed just then that the nails I'm wearing to do this painting are different to the nails that I used in the introduction. I don't know what happened there, but there's no way I'm changing it because you know what I'm like. So all I've done is do a simple line drawing of some vines across the nail. It's kind of plant-based, which is where I was getting the Earth Day inspiration from, which, as I explained about 6 minutes ago, it's a complete lie, because I was going to use these for Earth Hour, and then I was going to use these for St. Paddy's. So what I've done here is applied the... Oh no. He was upset. I can't remember why he was upset. It'll come to me. So, what the fuck was I saying? What I've done here is applied the perfect black to the nail in the pattern of the vines. Because it's still sticky, I can apply the gold chrome. Chrome will stick to the black, and then hey diddly ho, you have got a really cool chrome effect, because as we know, that's all the rage at the moment. Take a brush, remove the excess, but hold the foam. If you're actually going to wear this design, you must top coat. You must top coat that chrome. You must top coat the chrome. This is coming to the end of the video and the reveal, so please again take a moment to like and subscribe. This is what we end up with after 7 or 8 minutes of my rambling and shenanigans. Not having too much to do with the nails whatsoever. There's a bit of gunge there, but hey, we're just going to ignore that and move on with our lives. But yes, if you wear these nails, you must top coat the chrome. If you don't, it won't even last by the time you've walked down the stairs. Honestly, it will go that quickly. You can cover it just the line in shiny and have that really cool contrast between the matte background and the shiny chrome, or you can shiny it all, or you can matte it all. But as we know on this channel, matting shiny things is a crime. So everybody, I hope you learned something today. I hope you too had a Earth Day that was earthy. Yes. But that's all the bullshit you will hear from me today. Please, again, like and subscribe. Send me to your friends if you want to torture them as well. And I will see you, sexy YouTube nail mother lovers, in the next one. Bye.